Two samples of a colorless solution are tested separately with aqueous NaOH and aqueous ammonia, and the results are recorded. A white precipitate is formed. ये मैं खोल लेता हूँ एक सेकेंड. कहाँ गए notes? जिसके अंदर you have to remember things. ठीक है, you have to remember the test for cations and you have to remember the test for anions. ठीक है, ये message करके नीचे you can get the worksheet as well. So there's a revision data sheet, and this one is for acid basis salts only. So remember test, remember see revision के लिए I've opened it. Remember test for ions. NaOH and ammonia used for testing cations. ठीक है, all cations can be tested using either NaOH or you can test it using either ammonia. ठीक है, और बाकी test for gases है, and you've got test of anions. So you've got all these tests. So ये वाला test देख लेते हैं. Which test is he talking about? He's saying that he's got NaOH and he's testing it with ammonia. ठीक है, so these two things. So white precipitate form हो रहा है, NaOH white precipitate. So he's getting a white precipitate with both of them. You got a white precipitate with NaOH, you got a white precipitate with ammonia as well. And the precipitate dissolves in excess. ठीक है, both cases में if you look carefully, the precipitate dissolves, दोनों में dissolve हो रहा है. तो ये क्या होगा? तो दोनों में dissolve होगा. That's going to be zinc. इधर देखो zinc के अंदर. Zinc is going to produce a white precipitate in both cases. And it's soluble in excess, giving a colorless solution, soluble in excess, giving a colorless solution. So NaOH and ammonia, it's soluble in both. And remember, a lot of compounds have white precipitate. Calcium has white precipitates, but वो एक में बनता है, it's insoluble, and the other one, it's a very slight precipitate. Aluminium also has white precipitate. So remember, the confusion is always between aluminium and zinc. Aluminium also has a white precipitate, like it's soluble in NaOH, but it's not soluble in ammonia. ठीक है, so in that case, it's not soluble. But let's stick to zinc is the answer in our case. ठीक है, so zinc, the cation present is zinc. ठीक है, बस हो गया.